Hi! In this video, we're going to showcase a sales planning process in the dairy industry using the ABUX financial budgeting and analyzing tool. First, we record the sales plan data, allowing the input of sales data related to various products into the system. The data displayed in the product hierarchy enables, for example, viewing the data of a grilled cheese down to the product level. These are factual data that can be recorded, while plan values can also be set here. Information can be provided at the product level, so if we filter the data on a monthly basis, we can see the various monthly planned values. If any values are modified, they are retroactively applied on a monthly basis. The data can be saved, and there is also an option for data reload, which restores the data. Here we see the sales plan. The plan numbers for sales dimensions are displayed here. Our sales revenue comes from the planned prices, which are the last valid sales prices for products and partners. These prices can be set for the respective sales version for the given period. If we filter for 2024, it will only show the prices for that year. There is an option to enter data in different sales currencies for each product, and even at the partner level. The values shown here can override the prices, determining the sales revenue. The system then uses this revenue to calculate an average price. Planning is done at the product level, but the calculation process is also executed at the partner depth based on the values of a reference period. If we open the grilled cheese, we can see how it looks by partner, and if we drag the period, then all information is available on a monthly basis. Thank you for your attention. In the next video, you can watch the bill of material analysis related to the previous process.